I know what you're probably thinking. You're tired of all my videos on improvement, etc. because you think, man, I'm a run-of-the-mill guy. I'm an average dude. I'm going to school. I have an average job, but I want to look better. And this is what I'm here to tell you, bro. Well, yes, all those things matter. You have to understand that all those things take time. The best things that you can do to go from average to attractive right now that are free are going to be in this video. Starting with number 1, slowing down. Anytime you talk to a girl, or shoot, you're having a conversation with anybody, slow down. Like, actually slow down. You can still use your hands. You can still be expressive, but as you do, slow down both your speech and your movements. This makes you seem confident and in control. You can even add a little longer of a pause. When you do so, it's a little bit dramatic, but the confidence that you're exuding, especially in interaction with a female where most people would be nervous and talking really fast, you're gonna slow down. That's attractive. This takes me to number 2. Find clothes that fits, bro. Like, it's crazy how not difficult this is. Like, the bar is this low. The best thing you could possibly do is not buy name brands, is not buy the latest and greatest trend. While all that might be okay, the easiest and best thing you can do is start investing in clothes that fit. I don't care if it's from Shein, from H&M, from Zara, from Walmart. I've showed you multiple. It doesn't matter at the end of the day. As long as it fits your body type, you're already winning. That's all you need to step outside from everyone else that really just doesn't care about themselves. And what you need to understand is that when you have proper fit, you look taller, you look leaner, you look more athletic, which overall makes you look more attractive. This is why, boys, with essentials, like what I'm wearing right now, that's my goal. I want basics for guys. Like I said, I don't care if it's from us, from Shein, I don't care where you go. But just find yourself great basics. Forget about the branding, forget about the logos, forget about the trendiness. Find yourself basics that you know you can always rely on that's gonna fit right and look great. And that's what I focus on with essentials. Whether it's an oversized fit or a fitted fit, yo, my focus is to make sure the fit is flawless. Bro, look at this hoodie. I've been wearing this same hoodie for over 1.5 years now. Over 1.5 years. This is from our heavyweight collection. Not only is that a testament to quality, but it's a testament to fit, bro. When stuff fits right, you can wear it nonstop for years to come, and that's what I want you to invest in to save yourself money and look better than average men. Shoot, if you guys want to check out essentials and pick up yourself basics that make you look better, I'm actually going to leave a 25% discount. 25% discount, anything you want, men's or women's, casual or oversized. I'm gonna hook it up. If you guys click that link down below, you guys can check it out. This takes you to number 3. Get a fresh haircut. Bro, that is the fastest way to look better. You want to look better than average men, get a fresh haircut. But I did not forget. I did not forget what I said in the beginning. Maybe you don't have a lot of money. Maybe you're not the type of guy that can spend $100 every month getting a haircut every 2 weeks. That's completely fine. Get smart about it, bro. I showed you the other day, buy yourself a trimmer. We're actually testing a fading trimmer right now, which is a slanted blade. I'm sure you've been seeing it on TikTok. We're working with our manufacturer, see if we can make a better one, where you can interchangeably change those, and now you can even do a quick fade at home and make sure your hair is always looking tidy. These are for the guys that don't have money to spend but still want to look great. There's never an excuse, whether you're doing it at home or actually forking out those $20, $30, $40, $50 for that haircut. I promise you, it is the best ROI you're gonna ever get when it comes to your looks. Number 4, I want you to remove color from your wardrobe. And you see me do this a lot. This does 2 things. One, it makes it easier, right? Because again, you're an average dude. You're not gonna be spending an hour a day trying to get ready, bro. We're not celebrities. We're not on a freaking red carpet. You have to go through your day-to-day, and the goal here is to look as best as possible. When you remove color and you stick to neutrals, it's so easy to mix and match, bro. You can do it eyes closed, half asleep, and you know you're gonna look good. But more importantly, it also makes you look mysterious. It makes you look more masculine. When you remove all of those bright colors that you're used to wearing all the time, and now you're no longer looking like a walking street light, but instead you're looking sharp all the time, even when you wear something as simple as a hoodie, because you're sticking to those dark neutral colors. This takes me to number 5, improve your health. This one's gonna take a little bit longer out of all of them, right? This one requires work, but I heard Andrew Tate say something. And I don't care if you hate him or love him. When I heard him say this, I was like, yo, he's 100% right. He basically talked about he doesn't believe in depression, but he went on to say that anybody that says that they're depressed, go get a 6-pack, then come back and see if you're still depressed. And it's true. As a man, you find value when you work hard on something and then you see the results of that. It's the highest euphoria you'll ever. If you think jacking off gets you euphoria, wait until you're successful at something you set your mind to. The energy, the drive, the discipline you're gonna feel, unmatched. But more importantly, once you get there, that confidence makes you more attractive. And moreover, the clothes that you wear will make you look more attractive. Because at the end of the day, when you're overweight, when you're fat, finding clothes that actually fits and looks good is a struggle. Why would you make your life so difficult? This takes me to number 6. I need you to make your personality attractive. What this means is that at the end of the day, you can't change your face. Whatever genetics you got, you're gonna stick with unless you get plastic surgery, and that's gonna take too much time, too much money, too much pain. Why would you ever do that? The best thing you can do is change your personality, and that can be fast. I've told you time and time again, the fastest and easiest way to do so is by stepping out of your comfort zone. Every day, especially if you're in school, if you're in college, bro, if you're in school, if you have your own car, you should be driving every day. Go to the mall, go to school, go to campus, go to another school, go to the gym on different hours so you don't see the same people you have to see. The point is, go to these different places and start approaching girls. What you're gonna notice is, the more that you do it, the more you test out different tactics, different approach methods, the better you become, the more charismatic, the better you become with your body language, the better you become in conversation. And yes, a couple first ones are gonna be super awkward, but the increase you're gonna get on your personality as a whole and as a person that can connect with others, that's insanely attractive, which ultimately rolls us to number 7. You gotta let the beard grow. This is your ultimate hack. This is our makeup, boys, and so many of you are letting it go. This is your masculinity. Shoot, the other day I was seeing a study that apparently a beard has also a functional benefit of protecting your face in a fight. Like, the benefits are never ending, bro. Get yourself a beard. It structures your jawline. It makes you look more masculine. It makes you look like a man that's jacked up on testosterone. And overall, we've known on study and study again that women find men with stubble the most attractive over clean shaven and a thick beard. You gotta grow it out.